Alright, so this is our creepy elevator here in Santa Margarita La Guerra. You press the button and it comes up. You have to open this door, get in. Me and Mom are getting in. Okay, you close the door, press the creepy button, the doors close, then we go down. It's very, very small. It's got a big mirror, and it claims to fit 4 people. 4 people in this little
tiny area. I don't know if you can see how tiny it is.
This is pretty damn tiny.
It's like a closet too.
And then when we get to the floor, these doors open, and we have to push the other door open in order to escape, which is a little hard to push open. I think it wants us to stay. There you go, 4 people. 370 kilograms, 4 persone. And then it opens up, and we have to push open the door for freedom. Alright. So we close it. There's how tiny it is. And that's our creepy elevator.